Hi guys. So today we are at Mercy Hot Springs, and I'm standing in front of this big tree which has a little surprise for us. And what is that surprise? Well, let's see. What is that? Let's zoom in a little bit. That's a pair of owlets. So they are baby owl. You see, they are moving. There it is. It's beautiful white fur. Those are owls, baby owls there. Then we have another wonderful come true, guys. Never seen an owl at such a close range. That too, a family of owls. It's a special experience. Thank you, Mercy Hot Springs. They blend in so well. Take your eyes off for a second and you'll lose them. Alright, that is my baby owl staring at me. He just winged a little while ago. I couldn't record that. Maybe he'll wink again. There it is. Ah, look at that turn of the head. 360 degrees almost.